Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. For I in Gujarati, we say whom or may. For I in Gujarati, we say whom or may. For we in Gujarati, we say ame or apane according to sentences which we will see. You, tu or tame. Tu is for informal when we are talking to friends, informally. But when we are talking to our elder, like my father or whom someone I have to give respect, that time I have to use tame. For you can say tu or tame. Tu informally and tame when we are talking someone who is elder, we have to give respect that time tame. For he, we can say te. For he, in Gujarati, we say te. We'll see sentences. Before that, I am repeating one more time. I means whom or may. We, ame or apane. Ame or apane. You, tu or tame. Tu or tame. For he, we say te. I am repeating one more time very quickly. I, whom or may. For we, ame or apane. For you, tu or tame. For he, te. Now let's see sentences which words one by one. First one is I, means whom or may. So the very quick and sweet sentence we have, I am happy today. In Gujarati we say હું આજે ખુશ છું. Okay, as we know, for I in Gujarati we say હું. Aje means today. Khush means happy. Chu means this is to end sentence, but to finish that action we use chu, che, such a word in Gujarati when we end the sentences. હું આજે ખુશ છું. Today I'm happy today. For I in Gujarati we say હું. For today in Gujarati we say આજે. Happy means ખુશ છું. હું આજે ખુશ છું. હું આજે ખુશ છું. Understand the meaning along with the word I. I means whom, today means aje, happy means khush, and to end the sentence. I am happy today. હું આજે ખુશ છું. Now for we means અમે or આપણે. So here you will see we have sentence for both the word because the meaning of both words change according to sentence. Now here the first sentence is we are going market. અમે બજાર જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. Okay, so here for we in Gujarati we say અમે. Okay, bazaar. For market in Gujarati we use bazaar. For market in Gujarati we say bazaar. And જઈ રહ્યા છીએ means we are going. So this is again a particular complete this sentence જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. Okay, let me remove this. જઈ રહ્યા છીએ means going. So now you understand. We in Gujarati we say ame. For market in Gujarati we say bazaar ma or bazaar. For going we simply say jai rahya chiye. To javu, I mean to going somewhere in Gujarati we say javu. To going somewhere in Gujarati we say javu. If I want to say I'm going, I simply say હું જાઉં છું. I'm going in Gujarati. If I want to say, I simply say હું જાઉં છું. હું જાઉં છું. In that way. So this is meaning of we when we use this sentence. Now we will learn together. Okay. Now if you see here I am talking, we are going to the market, and if you see that time I have used ame. Now here I am talking, we will learn together. So according that sentence, the word of we, it's the meaning of that આપણે સાથે શીખીશું. Okay, now આપણે we simply either you can say ame or આપણે. Now here you can use ame as well. ame સાથે શીખીશું. Okay, but when you are using ame, now I am giving you that hint. For example, if I am talking my mom, saying talking about when I am talking to my mom about my friends, saying ame અમે સાથે શીખીશું, because I am talking to my mom about my friends that me and my friends will play together. That time I have to use ame. But when I am talking to my friends directly, આપણે સાથે રમીશું or આપણે સાથે શીખીશું. We will learn together. When I am not talking to someone about someone, that time I mean I'm freely talking to that people directly. That time I can say આપણે because I'm talking to them directly, not to my mom, pointing out them and talking. Hope you clear with this. Okay, when I are talking to third person about our activities, that time I should say ame. Ame bahar, or we can say we are going to the market. Ame bahar જઈએ છીએ. But when I am talking to that people directly, આપણે, because I am talking to them directly, we can use આપણે સાથે શીખીશું. સાથે. Okay, means together. And to learn in Gujarati we say શીખવું. So to this particular action we can say શીખીશું. Okay, we will learn. We will learn. For that in Gujarati we say શીખીશું. શીખીશું. For we, આપણે, together, સાથે, together means સાથે in Gujarati, and will learn. So we simply say શીખીશું. So this is how two different meaning of we, ame and આપણે. Ame, okay, and આપણે. So this is how this sentence and word we use in Gujarati. The next one is you. Okay, This is very sweet and simple sentence. You are very kind. તું ખૂબ દયાળુ છો. Or તમે. Now you have idea about when to use tu and tame. Okay. For you in Gujarati, either you can say tame when we are talking formally. You can use tu for informally. And for kind, in Gujarati we say dayalu. Okay. For very, we say khub. To finish the sentence, dayalu cho. Okay. Now I have someone have commented where to use chu, che. So guys, just right now understand according to sentence, because for that I will take a separate session. So keep watching my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is very simple. You means tu or tame. Very means khub. For kind, you can say dayalu. Okay, dayalu, dayalu. So the complete sentence will be tu khub dayalu cho. Okay. The very next is he. Okay. Some sentence or words ChatGPT understand easily. So if you see here, I am not giving with meaning and straight away giving which sentence I need for which word. He is my friend. He is my friend. Te maro mitra. To finish the sentence. To finish the sentence. Very simple. Te maro mitra છે. For he in Gujarati we say te. Okay. For my, maro. Okay. If I want to say this is my toy, I will say a maru ramakadu છે. Okay. Now see, according to sentence it's changed to maru, because when I am talking about friend, I have to use he is my friend. Te maro friend છે. Okay, because he is person. But it is, if it is entity something, ramakdu or something which is entity, we say maru or mari, according to sentence structure. For example, if I want to say this is my bus, I will say mari bus hai. Because for bus we should use mari. Okay. Now if it is truck, we simply say maro truck hai. That we will understand. Alright, that we will understand about when to use che, when to use maru, mari, maro. But for today, just understand, because this series is going on a very daily routine words, and to give those words a better understanding, I am giving a simple short sentences. I am repeating, he is my friend. Te maro friend છે. તે મારો friend છે. Okay, or mitra. Friend in Gujarati we say mitra. So this is very quick and short sentence, my dear friends, and our session is end here for today. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and family so they can also learn Gujarati. We'll meet again with a new video. Bye bye and Jai Shri Krishna.